I thought this happened right here,
Well, yeah, he had actually, there was...
Or it happened here and then he left or something, or...
No, it
happened out there.
Yeah, it was like AV. It went to Mojave to Resman, then they notified us, and then we were already on the freeway coming this way too, and they passed us on the freeway.
Wow.
They got the wrong person.
Yeah, that's what we heard.
That's crazy, yeah.
Yeah, no more information on baby girl, huh? I've been asking. All right, guys, so there is an active shooter here. Yeah, One Love. Yeah, is Robert here or what?
That's our Spanish ministers that were with Kingdom Builders.
Oh, yeah.
And she was telling me, I guess there was like a little conflict, which we didn't know about it. And so she was kind of running it down on what happened. It's sad. The devil tries to even split up ministries.
He will. Anytime you're doing something positive and
had her hostage, but she's at the hospital now.
The son-in-law had her hostage.
Yeah.
How'd she get away?
The cops got her.
Oh, the cops got her?
Yeah, because they...
And he just changed his gear real quick,
Yeah,
huh?
it was like a youngster, but they say it's a big guy.
Yeah, the one that they have...
But he's strapped down, huh?
He had a shotgun.
He has a shotgun?
And he had the freaking officer pinned in the courtyard right here.
An officer?
Yeah.
No way.
Like,
Oh, you got it on video?
we didn't get the whole video of it, but it's on the Channel 11.
This guy right here, he pretends to be a cop.
Oh, Brian?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, daddy. Yo, daddy. You don't like him. You don't like Brian.
Oh, I know.
You seen that when they got into it on his live feed?
No, I didn't watch that one. I'm like, everybody's got it out here now. He pinned down a suspect has deputies pinned down in the courtyard.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what's going on, brother?
The ones that left, they're on P.O.BOX. I can understand.
Let's go.
Gonna clear the streets.
Yeah, for people who are not news. This a cop's car right here? Huh?
Everyone must get off the street.
You left the live on or what?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't bring them?
No.
Oh. Because of this, huh?
Here comes your money shot. Right here.
Where?
Crime scene tape. Crime scene tape. They're gonna take it to the corner right here.
Yeah, I already know. They're gonna try to, gonna block people in here, huh?
So good to see you guys.
Right. I heard it.
Hey, Channel 7 is
What are we doing on the outside of this?
everybody's going to be outside.
Yep.
Hey, good to see you guys.
Yep.
Yo, man. I'm all with AV News Crew and Steve Watchman with AV Watchmen.
Wow.
Where are you guys resting?
Hey.
Hey, how you doing, Steve?
Good. How are you? Good.
I'm good.
So they thought they got him, huh?
Drop your cigarettes, Matt.
And they end up getting somebody else?
I guess
They're taking anybody to change his clothing.
Oh, wow.
It sounds like there's a woman still inside. You guys look, you're at a they're going to put a barrier. What's that, dog?
Hey, did you guys want to roll out to Cal City to that location that you were talking about? Or?
You want to talk to him? Because I have no idea where it is. I'm just going to ride along with you guys. I'm down for it.
All right.
He doesn't actually have to work tonight because he's stuck here.
Not tonight, probably tomorrow or something.
He has to work tomorrow.
Yeah, work tomorrow. Or maybe on the next day off.
Tuesday or Wednesday.
All right.
He wants to go to the...
Where the heck did Matt go?
I know, you were there too. You were right behind him.
No, why are you coming at me? If I would have been 2 minutes sooner, I would have been able to. You got channel. Another over there. My name is Tim. As a semi-retired homicide detective, I was hired in early 2009 as a part of
Look, hold on. Bolt cutters. Hey, listen, I'm just going to get up a little closer.
Those are pruning shirts.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look it. He left the screen open, bro. All right, guys, I figured I would upload this one really quick, show you guys what happened yesterday. There was a guy with the shotgun who kidnapped someone, and I guess when deputies approached him, he took off. It was a high-speed chase. He got inside these apartments here. I guess he shot once with the shotgun towards the deputies, had them pinned down for a little bit, and we ended up taking off, so I really don't know how the outcome came out, but you might be able to look it up. Antelope Valley active shooter or something like that on Google. But yeah, I have a couple videos that are going to be uploading sometime today. They're bigger files. It's taking a while for it to export over. The Gloria Huerta case and Tamika Mendoza. All right, guys, much love and respect. AV Watchmen with United We Stand, and I'm signing out. Before I go to the Sheriff's Department, LA Sheriff's Department, you guys make sure you close your screens on your computers in your vehicles because it is a privacy concern. People's personal information can be on your screens. And don't forget, anything that you can see from the public, you are allowed to record. So just a quick heads up, guys. Not trying to be a prick, but yeah, if you can, keep those screens closed, man. All right, I'm out.